Hello everyone, and welcome to a addition to my channel, which I'm going to be talking about a mini map and how to create one. So as you can see, it's a new template, never been used yet, and we're going to show you. As you can see, the character is moving around the map. It works just fine. Alright, cool. Alright, so that works just fine. So now what we're going to do in this video is we're going to create a mini map for y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy this, and I'd like to see what you guys can come up with for a mini map later. Alright, so first we're going to start out with first user interface and a widget blueprint, which this will put this on your screen when you're done. Okay, widget blueprint, a mini map to show this on your screen. Okay, so let's open this up. You're going to need a canvas panel, which this green box is your screen. So anything that goes on here is just different things that'll go on your screen. Alright, you're going to need an image for your mini map put in here, dragged from the common spot, and of course the panel section will have the canvas panel. And then down here it tells you exactly what everything is on it. So the canvas panel is your screen, the image here is your mini map that's going to go on your screen. Okay, so extend this out a little bit. Alright, so you can see well. Alright, and then this thing here, you're going to want to anchor that to your right side. Alright, just like so. Alright, so hopefully y'all can see this just fine. Alright, and might want to even make that a little bit bigger, just so that way you can see a little bit better at the end. Okay. There you go. Alright, so the next thing is that you're going to need to do, you got your widget blueprint now, and your next thing that you're going to want to do is, alright, you're going to want to open your third person character. So you go to third person character, blueprints, open up your character. This event begin play, I put that here already because we are going to need that, but let's start here. So first of all, here's your character. You are going to need something to look down on your character to be able to tell, okay, this is where your character is in the map. So you're going to want to click the add button here, and you're going to want to search scene component, or scene capture component 2D, and that pops up in this little menu right here. If you can't see it, I apologize. So let's go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it says scene capture component 2D. Okay, so hit enter, and then now you got this camera here. You got the follow camera following the backside of your character, and then this other one here will be on top of your character, seeing your every move on your mini map. So we're going to bring it up here, and then we're going to go ahead and flip this over, so that way you can see your movements from the sky. Let's go ahead and compile that. Alright, so now you got your camera, and that'll be watching your character. Now, next thing you're going to be doing first, you're going to go down here to scene capture. What is your camera going to do? Okay, you're going to go over here and you're going to make a render target, which your character is the target. Okay, and you're going to name this render target minimap. So RT for render target. Okay, and then now, as you can see, there's a little dot here in this this little thing showing that your character is on there. Okay, now the next thing is, it's not going to be here in the third person. You're going to come back over here. Okay, you got your little mini map now, your render target, right? Okay, so you're going to need to make a material to be able to see this on your screen. So now you're going to right click, you're going to go create material up here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to rename this, and instead of RT minimap, what you're going to do is you're going to move the space between RT and minimap, and then on the back side take mat off, and you're going to put underscore in front of the RT, and then just put M for material. So as you can see now, it has M underscore render target minimap, so that way you can kind of see what it is. Okay, Once you have it highlighted, Control S to save. Okay, so now let's jump right in here. This part, don't worry about it too much. You can still see it's attached, right? So you'll go over here to Material section, and instead of the surface, you'll go to your User Interface. And then you'll just bring this over to the final color. And as you can see, your character is on the thing. Okay, so you hit Apply to make sure it's there. You'll hit Save. And then the next thing is, of course, you'll go back over to your widget blueprint, which is still open right here. And then the next thing is, since now you have a material, and before you wouldn't have been able to find it if you didn't make a material, which is why you needed to do that after the render target. Now you can just look, okay, M and then underscore RT for a render target, and there it is, your minimap material, and there's your character. Okay, so let's go ahead and compile this, save it, and then you can do a little preview before you go back to the main map. You hit play. Oh, nope. The next thing you have to do, there is one step we missed. Alright, so as you can see, you can see it right there, but the problem is we didn't add this to our, didn't create a widget for it, so it's not going to show up on our screen. We created the widget, but we didn't do the coding part to make it show up on our screen yet, so that's the part right here. So when you begin to play, then this map will show up on your screen. So you have to create a widget, you have to select what it's going to be coming from, which we made the widget blueprint minimap class, so we'll just select that. And as you see now, it says widget blueprint minimap. And then from over here, the return value, you put add to viewport to see it on your screen. Alright, perfect. And you'll hit compile and save. Alright, now let's go back over here to do a preview. Alright, you hit play and it will work. As you can see, there is a minimap on your screen now. We will come back with a video later to show more in depth of what we can do with this minimap. But for now, there is a minimap of everything, and it's, as you can see your character moving around, and you can see how I placed it and all that stuff that goes into it. So just click back over to the third person map. You have your widget blueprint, which your widget blueprint is what makes it work, and then you add the coding onto your character for your widget blueprint. And then the render target, which sees your character, and the material, which obviously the material for the widget blueprint image is how you see your character. Okay, so and then of course, like I said, the actual coding on the third person character. Now you hit play here, it's the same thing. So again, I appreciate y'all tuning into this, and you can see it works great. So I will come back in future editions showing you more about this minimap and what else you can do to it. There is ways of adding different dynamics to it, like changing it to a sphere, or changing it, you know, like how close or far away it is, things like that. But hope y'all enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in future editions. Thank y'all for checking it out.